or so. It's about 3:50 in the morning, and I have a 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. shift. But I looked on the app, and the flight that I have that I normally do that goes out at 5:30 is no longer. It's not part of the flight schedule anymore. And last week when I came in, we got there, we kind of helped a little bit, and then we got to go home. There's a thing called WAP, which is without pay, that we do, and they go according to seniority. And since I was the most senior person, they came to me first, and then they came to my friend second, and then we just left early. So we will see what happens today. It's nice to get the WAP before you wake up and come to the shift, but I will take it no matter what. And if not, they will have me do something else like training, or go home early, or just stay and help. So I guess it'll depend also on if people call off. I will talk to you guys in a minute. Walking to work. I'll be there in the next 3 minutes. It's about 3:54, and I should get there around 3:56, 3:57. So I am on my way to ask my supervisor what he wants me to do. I will let you guys know. I looked at my name on the schedule and it said NA, so we will see. So what I'm gonna do right now is set up the other plane, help those people set up in the bag room, and then there's another shift that comes at 4:45, and as long as they have a full shift and no one calls off, maybe I can WAP. If not, I mean, this shift is so quick. I mean, it's done at 6, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and help them out. Done. It is 4:50 or so. It is 5:07 and I am done. It was such an easy shift. It does not get any easier than that. I went in, I clocked in, I got my supplies that I needed, and that was it. I just went in and I helped the people in the bag room and loaded like literally 15 bags, and by the time 4:45 came, my supervisor came up to me, because I'm one of the senior people, and asked if I wanted to go home, and I said yes. So that was great. So I am done. So I got WAP today without pay, and that's okay. So I got paid for the time I was there, obviously, and that's all I needed, because as you guys know, I love this job. I love being around airplanes. I love being around airline people, and I love to travel, but I don't use this job for the money. I use this job for the benefits. So going an hour without pay really doesn't make a difference, because we get paid so little at this the place that I'm at. I mean, I shouldn't say little, but it's not enough to really do much, so I don't mind going home. I'm very excited because in the next few weeks, hopefully, I'll be doing some travels. My goal is obviously, maybe I'll just go to Hawaii like in a week or so, just with the baby, just for a couple days. And then for spring break, we are thinking of Brazil. That is like my dream place. I have never been to Brazil, and that is on my bucket list, so wish me luck. I looked at the loads right now, and obviously it is way too early to know what the loads are going to be like 5 weeks away, but they look like they are on big planes, and there's still quite a few seats left, so we will check 2 weeks before and then continue to check because things obviously change a lot. I will be having some backup trips, obviously, because I do want to travel for my kids' spring break. So wish me luck with that, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.